So in this video, I will show you how to create a requisition from Sertica. First off, you can click on the vessel from the unit option to make a requisition based off what your vessel needs. For example, it is Prima Concord. After that, you should see the main menu that consists of all the modules in Sertica. However, if you want to make specific modules that you want to operate regularly, you can add them in their favorite section with the star icon, where you can find them later more easily. For instance, if you feel like using the requisition module more frequently, you can simply just right click on that module and then click add to favorites. Subsequently, what you can start doing if you want to make a requisition is prepare first by going to the item module. When you already selected the item module, there will still be no overview shown on the screen. So then you can just apply the add component filter option to select whichever spare part that you are looking for. For example, I need some items that are related to the fuel system. Then the spare parts related to the fuel system will be displayed immediately right here. Also, what you can always do is open a blank notepad file to list the spare parts that you need. From the screen, you see that there are 361 parts. To make your searching easier, firstly you can group the parts based on their manufacturer or their maker by simply dragging the column towards the space under the overview word. Second, you can further drag the drawing number as well besides the manufacturer option. This way, you will be able to find the spare parts that you need based on the organized list of the manufacturers and the drawing numbers of the parts. Alright, let's say that I need something like a washer copper from the fuel system. For example, it is from CC Jensen of manufacturer. Related to the water discharger. So you select that component that you will be shown the details regarding the spare parts. After that, copy the item number and paste it on the blank notepad that you just created. Then let's say that you need something else from the maker of Donghua Electric. I'm going to need the inlet and outlet flange, which is related to the heater or connection flange. So I'm going to copy the item number onto the notepad. One more time. I also need something from the Taiko Kika Industries that is related to the MGO transfer pump, which is a bearing housing. So I select the item number of the spare part to paste it on my notepad. If you want to change the spare parts into having it from another group, you can select the add component filter once more to select which parts you need them from. Keep in mind that only the spare parts that have a manufacturer will be configured in Sertica. After you have your prepared spare parts that you need on your list, you can click on the Create Requisition button, or you can click on the Requisition module. After that, after you click on it, the list will be blank initially. However, if you hit the enter button on your keyboard, it will show you all the requisitions. Then you click on the Start Requisition wizard to see the display such as this one. Go back to your notepad window or put your notepad next to the requisition, and then copy your item numbers to the requisition menu one by one. After you fill out the space, it will be automatically show what it is, the items that you need. Then click the next button. Following that, choose the components that you want to be added to the requisition if necessary. Then you click next again. The next part is about the requisition type, where you click on the normal unit, then click next. Hereafter is the additional fields that you need to fill out. For the purchase type, select the OPEX technical. You can choose the department, enter the requested delivery date. As for the description, you may type such thing as engine Q12023 auxiliary spares, something like this, and it has to be meaningful. If you want to enter the remarks for the office or the supplier, you can tick the checkbox. Otherwise, you will not have to tick the checkbox. Then click next. After that, everything will be shown here, and you need to specify the technical account number by firstly clicking on the magnifying glass. Let's say that you click and select the repair and maintenance, and then the system will then ask you if you want the technical account number to be applied to all the items. If you say yes, it will all be copied for the items. Then click next. Then you put the remarks to the office, like this one. Click next. You can also put the remark for the supplier. After that, you can click next. Same thing for the step. Click next. You can print the requisition, you can send a request, or you can forward the request. However, in this vessel it will be limited, so we are just going to say to only as show requisition. Then click the finish button. After you click the finish button, it is all created properly as what it is shown here. Then the chief engineer, all the master will have an active send request button for them to send the request, like this one. Once you send the request, it will be received in the office and it will be processed. This is the easiest way to start a requisition using the Start Requisition wizard. What I'm going to also show you is the Excel sheet that can be prepared by exporting the data out from the Sertica system. If you don't have this Excel sheet, kindly request it to the technical superintendent, which has got all the lists to all the spare parts linked to the equipment for your vessel. On the Excel like this one, it is very easy to use, as when you want to find spare parts related to the boiler, for example, it will show directly like this. Then highlight the parts that you need to buy, perhaps green in particular, probably this one, this one, and this one. Then you can filter it by color. Copy the item numbers to the notepad and restart to the first step of making a requisition in Sertica. If you want to export the data, click the Add Component filter, select the parts, redo the order by dragging them back in place, click the top row, and then click Shift at the same time, and go to the bottom row, and then click the bottom row, and then all your parts will be selected. Then you can finally click export afterwards. You can choose this item of export or this item of export. So this is the most simple way to create a requisition in Sertica.